Hi guys, today I am going to analyze Usdchf with you. So the first thing, like always, what are we looking for? We are looking for the trend. We want to see which trend the market is in. So we can tell that the market is going down. It's in a downtrend. You can see that it's creating lower lows as it goes down. Okay, lower lows and lower highs as it goes down. So the next thing you will do is you place your parallel channel touching the highs. This is the first high. Okay, this is the second high, and then you let it go. Automatically it will then respect the third high, you can see, and then you place it at the lowest point, which happens to be here. So you can see that the market came from here, touched our first low, created a double bottom, came up, created a reversal right here, came down, didn't touch the line, went up again to create a flag pattern, which was respected, maybe not a flag but a wedge, which was respected, and then came down, touched our line again, making the second touch, which was respected, and then shoot it up. It shoot up, okay, created an M formation here, which is a double top, then started going down. So we're expecting the market to continue going down and touch the line. After it touches the line, it's either the market will shoot up and go and break this side, or it will come down, break this channel, and continue going down. So your job as a trader is to find out what happens before it does happen. So in this case, you know that first things first, we have to reach this line. This line hasn't been reached yet, so move on to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we can delete this channel. Okay, let's unzoom a bit. This is the Usdchf 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is the most simple trade that you ever come by. It's so simple, and you can catch a very good trade from this. So before we go to anything else, I'll tell you a trick about the market. If you see a pattern like this, it's going down, creates a low like this, goes up, then goes down, creates a low that's lower than the first low, and then goes up, looks for a retest, looks for a support, then finds support right at the last bullish candle before it falls, it means that the market should go down and cover the same distance it covered from this. It left here, it should cover it here. So what I'm trying to say in simple terms is this. Okay, what I am trying to say in simple terms is geometry. So this theory, right, this theory teaches you something that most traders don't know. And if you master this theory, everything will go out very well for you. So what this theory teaches you is that the distance left here, the distance it couldn't cover here, should be the same distance it covers here. So meaning what you're expecting is for the market to fall from where it is and touch the end of this box. So that could be your first way of taking the trade. Then your second way of taking the trade, you move to a 30-minute time frame. Okay, when you are at a 30-minute time frame, you take your parallel channel, touch this high, touch the second high, which is there, you let the market go. Then you go down, you touch the first bottom. Now you can see that it has come out even more clear. Just like that, you now have your trade. We have two confirmations confirming that this is our TP. So with that, now you look for the perfect entry. So on the 30-minute time frame, you zoom in a bit. Okay, take your trend line, you find your supports inside. You have this support, you also have this support, and you let the market go. So we're waiting for a break here. We already have a breakout right here, but we're waiting for this to close down below, and then we can enter a trade again. So my trade on this channel, it's a very good trade. I would place my short position right here where the market is at, my stop loss exactly where it's at, and then my take profit would be right there. Okay, so remember, we want to sell this so that it will touch our trend line on the bigger time frame, which I deleted on the 4-hour time frame, it comes down and touches the support here. So when it reaches the support, we now look for entries for strong buys or strong sells. So for the moment, we'll leave it here. We just take this trade. It will reach TP, and after it reaches TP, we wait to see if the market is breaking out of this channel or if it's reversing and going up. So that's all for USDCHF. So we'll do another one. Let's do Euro USD. Okay, so this is Euro USD. Like I said, guys, the first thing you always do when you see a market, whether it's crash, whether it's boom, whether it's currencies, whether it's gold, is to mark the trend. Right here we have an uptrend. You can see that this is an uptrend. Sorry for that. You can see that this right here is an uptrend. The market is going up. So what am I expecting it to do? I'm expecting it to create another high before day ends. So like always, we take our parallel channel, we touch the first low, we touch the next low, we touch our highest point, which happens to be here. Just like that, we have a take profit, we have a good trade and a good take profit right here. So if I'm to enter this trade, I'll put my entry there, my take profit there, my stop loss would be somewhere here just below the first low. That would be a very good trade for the day, and you can make a few bucks on that. Then if you want the overall trend, you can see that Euro USD is currently in a huge uptrend. So if it's in a huge uptrend like this, like always, we touch our lows. Okay, before we touch the low, let's see if there is something that contradicts. So in this case, everything looks good. So we touch our low, let the market go. We have our 3 touches, 1, 2, 3. Then we touch the highest point, which happens to be here. Okay, then it was respected 1, it was respected 2, it was respected 1, 2, 3, 4 times, meaning this will be a break. So the market will shoot up. So if this is shooting up, then gold is also shooting up. So you have a good trade, you have a good buy for the day. If you buy this, you obviously make good money. So yeah, that's it. See you at Take Profit, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to join my groups. Make sure you go onto the description. If the links are not there, just make sure to follow my Instagram. It's Trader Tinashe. And then from my Instagram, on my bio, you see all the links to all the groups. And then you can just join, you can just create your accounts and everything else you need. So thank you for watching. See you at TP again.